Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to pay yourself from your limited liability company completely legally without paying extra fees or bleeding unnecessary money through double taxation. When you pull money out of your business checking account to cover your grocery bill or pay your rent, you can not just transfer the cash casually and hope for the best. The Internal Revenue Service has strict rules about how business owners move capital out of an entity. If you do it the wrong way, you can accidentally trigger costly tax penalties or destroy your corporate veil, which completely strips away your personal liability protection. Today, we are breaking down the exact mechanics of owner's draws and salary options so you can pay yourself cleanly. Let us start with Phase 1, which applies to the vast majority of new business owners, the Single-Member LLC or Standard Partnership. By default, the government looks at your Single-Member LLC as a disregarded entity for tax purposes. This means that you do not technically receive a W-2 paycheck or an official employee salary from your company. Instead, you pay yourself using a financial mechanism called an owner's draw. To execute an owner's draw, the physical process is incredibly simple. You write a physical check from your business bank account made out to your personal name, or you log into your business banking app and initiate a direct online transfer straight from your business checking account into your personal checking account. When you do this, you do not withhold any federal income taxes or Social Security contributions from the transfer. You simply move the raw cash over. However, the major accounting trap that trips up beginners is keeping clean books. You must categorize this exact transaction in your bookkeeping software under an equity account labeled owner's draw or member distribution. Never classify it as a standard business expense because taking money out for personal use is not a tax-deductible expense for the company. That brings us directly to Phase 2, which is the exact tax reality of an owner's draw. A common myth is that you only pay taxes on the money you pull out through a draw. That is completely false. As a standard LLC owner, you pay taxes on the net profit of the entire business, regardless of whether that money is sitting inside the business bank account or if you transferred it into your personal wallet. If your business profits $50,000 this year, you pay income tax and the 15.3% self-employment tax on that full $50,000, even if you only took a $10,000 draw. Finally, let's look at Phase 3, which is the strategy for when your business starts making serious money. Once your LLC is generating significant net profit, usually around $50,000 to $70,000 or more per year, you can elect to have your LLC taxed as an S corporation. Once you make this election, the rules completely change. You become an employee of your own company. You'll start running a formal payroll system where the business pays you a reasonable salary, issues a standard W-2 form at the end of the year, and automatically withholds federal and payroll taxes from your paycheck. The ultimate benefit here is that you only pay the heavy 15.3% employment taxes on that salary portion, while any remaining business profit can be taken as a distribution completely free from that specific tax, saving you thousands of dollars. Keep your bank accounts strictly separated, categorize every transfer as a draw, track your total profits, and you are ready to manage your money flawlessly. Subscribe for more.